Oh boy, it's already Friday, isn't it? Actually seemed like a fast week, didn't it? Maybe not. Okay, well, I thought it was. Alright, let's get rid of this. Okay, well, yesterday's brain stretcher, so that was the one where I filled the water just into a hot teapot type thing, and then as it heated up, it does expand a little bit. Well, so first of all, let's see. We had Maddie A, and then Geraldine and Caillou were the first three to respond with the correct answer. Lots of great responses again. And so basically, in a nutshell, and we did this in class. So remember, molecules, think like atoms, things like that. Particles are moving. We can't even see these things, but they're there and they're moving. Now, as things heat up, they start moving faster and faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. And as they're doing that, they start taking up more space. Think about you. When you're cold, you take up less space. You're going to sit there and huddle and shiver. And your body actually does get smaller. If anybody is a ring wearer, you'll notice if your hands are cold, that ring fits real loose. Whereas if it's hot out or you've been working or exercising so your body's warmer, it's going to be real solid. So that's just an example there. And so just remember, slow, molecules are moving slower, they get tighter. Fast, they move wider. Let's try something. Since I bought a whole pack of balloons for the demonstration of weighing air on yesterday's, well, I still have a filled up balloon. So I am going to take this balloon and I'm just going to go stick it in the deep freeze out in my shop, and we'll see what it looks like here in a little bit. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, and now let's see what the balloon looks like. Oh, it kind of disappeared. Okay, well, anyways, that experiment's not working. I think the balloon popped. Alright, so a few things to go over on this glorious Friday afternoon. Heck, where'd my list go? Gotta make my list or I forget things. Well, first of all, though, I know this was first on my list. I did make a little an informational video, kind of for parents. I don't know where it went. And you can see our website right there. So right there, just kind of explaining them how things are working, because I know different teachers are probably doing different things. So show that to mom and dad, please. And then if they have any questions, just let them get hold of me. So that was item number 1 for today. Number 2, so as you have probably heard, school is now statewide not going to be in session as far as in buildings until at least April 30th now. So Science Festival is scheduled for April 24th. So Science Festival, as far as the event, is canceled. Now, don't throw away any projects. I know a lot of people have done a lot of work on those, and I know some people haven't done much. But I want to make sure and reward you with what you have done. And so just don't do anything yet. So don't throw anything away, or don't say, oh, okay, we're not going to do this. And so I will make sure to somehow give you credit for what you have done, or if you've done a lot, then maybe that'll take the place of another bigger assignment here later on. But yeah, I want to talk to the other science teachers, so we're kind of at least we're a little bit on the same page first. So I don't have a definite answer, but don't throw anything away. And so that's that. So speaking of such things, grades. The administration, they have told us to not put any grades in Infinite Campus right now. But I just want you to be sure to know that the things that you're turning in, I've got a big spreadsheet I'm making up, and so I am assigning grades for everything. And I know I did put a couple things in Infinite Campus, like your test grades. That was before they told us to not put anything in Infinite Campus, and you had your like a lab grade. But anyways, if you're not seeing things show up in Infinite Campus, well, that's the reason. So I certainly don't want people thinking, oh, well, I'm doing this stuff and for what? Just for kicks and giggles. No, I am grading it. Probably what I'll do a little differently, and I think this is what the school is talking about doing, is instead of doing like percentages, though, maybe you just kind of, things are graded on a 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 scale. So like say 3 is kind of like, here's the level that I expected on this. So, oh boy, you went above and beyond. There's a 4. Or oops, you missed a few things. So 2. So anyways, you are definitely going to get grades, and then but yeah, it's not on Infinite Campus or not in Schoology or anything like that at this point. So that's another thing. Just bear with us, and we'll see what they tell us to do. All right, so basically for today, and some people are already done, the Inside Earth project. Remember, that was posted yesterday, and you've got 4 options. You need to do 2 of those 4. Please just refer to the parameters on the 7th grade STEAM or the 7th grade science page, and that will so work on that today. Those are due by Wednesday, and I think that's it. So with that, I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and we will talk to you on Monday. So have a wonderful weekend. Be nice to your parents.